Hi, I'm Sandipande and today I've made a shit listener. Turn on the light. Turn on the fan. Shut up, Sandy, and show us how it works. Let me explain this diagram. First, we speak into a microphone. This microphone takes the audio signals into the computer. Then the computer sends this audio data to our voice recognition API, which in turn turns that audio data into clear text. That clear text is what our computer can understand, and Arduino is connected to our computer via serial. The computer, on getting the data from the API, can send an appropriate signal to the Arduino, which in turn triggers the relay to either turn on, off the light or the fan. And that's the circuit. This is the necessary exposed live wire. This is the relay. And the relay also has some live wires. Woo! Yay! Hope you liked it, guys. Please leave a like below and subscribe to my channel for more such content.